She thinks she's flirting, but she's stealing his food. You stinker. Brad, love you, baby. Think you're pretty slick, don't you? Pretty slick. Pretty smart. Give me that. Give me. Give me. Give me. Give me. Uh-oh. Here comes the daddy. Nope. Daddy on patrol. You guys ready to get in cages? Of course not. Come on. Acha. What are you doing? Climbing up backwards? Look at this nut.